Subscribe, hit the bell icon.
Hey, good morning, you all. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to earn with Racksterly. So, firstly, I'll go to my browser. As you can see, I'm signed in already. So, this is how it works. When you open your account, this how the racksterly.co looks like. I'm gonna be jumping the link below. So, to get started, when you want to sign up, it has some fixed amounts you have to pay. So there are some plans you have to do. So to join for the Racksterly, you can go for the $18. So when you register with $18, then they will give you $1.2 daily. So that $1.2 will be given to you for 30 days, because the $18 is like a subscription. So you pay for it, then they give you access to this $1.2. So for them giving you this $1.2, the work you have to do is to just share a link, a Facebook, like a link to your Facebook profile daily. It's like an advertisement. So you share it to your Facebook profile daily, and after immediately you share, they give you your $1.2, irrespective of if anyone click on the links. So, but to open this account, you must have a Facebook account that is at least 3 months old and at least has 300 friends. So that's it. So for the drizzle plan, you get $1.8 daily, and you get it for 30 days. So that's it. Is this drizzle plan I went for? So that's it. And they have the stump plan. So that's the $45 for registration, and you get $3.5 daily. I'm still going to come and do this, but I first want to do this, then after, then I'll migrate to this, then after, before I migrate to this 75. That's the highest. That's the Typhon. So you get $5.6 daily for just sharing a advertisement to your profile, Facebook profile. So that's how it works. So I just woke up this morning, and I'm going to be showing you guys on how easy this works, the Racksterly. So I'll just log in. So I already have an account, so I have access to the dashboard. So as you can see, these are you can go for the achievements if you want. So yesterday I referred someone, so I got $2.5. It's not compulsory you refer. You can refer to earn more cash. So that's why I went for the referral. So yesterday was the day I started this Racksterly. So I referred a friend the same day I started the subscription, so they gave me $3. So I'm still going to refer someone, like 3 more people, so I get this $10. So it's not really compulsory. So as you can see, the stuff is also moving for this 10 friends. So once I refer 10 friends, I'll get $45, and when I refer 20 friends, I get $80. So it's not really compulsory you refer friends. I'm just showing you guys on how this Racksterly works. So for the transaction, for the stuff I made, so you can see for the earning, because I shared a post to my Facebook profile, they gave me $1.8, as you can see. Then I referred Olatunji Omisokon, then they gave me $1.25 per everybody you refer. And so because so it begins. So let's check. So it begins. I to get a referral, so they gave me $2.5, and to get a referral the same day I did my subscription, so that's why they gave me this $3. So let me show you what my account looks like. So as you can see, this is my total balance, and I just started yesterday. So as you can see, everything is set. So if you want to join, I can send you my referral link, so you join and you get started. So it's not compulsory to refer, but I'm just showing you guys so you guys will see it. So that's it. So today, as you can see, my money now is $8.55. So I just woke up, and this is the next day. So I'm going to be sharing my post and be showing you guys on how this my money is going to increase without me doing any stress. So I'll just go to the share, then I'll click share. So I'll be sharing this to my Facebook profile. You can see you don't need to do any stress, so you just click the share now. Yeah, so I can share it to my story because I don't care. So I might just post it. Yeah, so you can see I've shared the post, so I will just go to my transactions and refresh. Oh wait, it's like it's not 24 hours yet, so I will still have to chill for some minutes before I can share it. So I have to make a new video concerning this because it's like I shared this post yesterday. I couldn't remember the time, but I'll show you guys. Yo, so this morning that I shared the post, it hasn't completed 24 hours. That's why I wasn't able to reflect. My hand was able to reflect. So I just shared my post right now, and as you can see, the time is 1:52, and that's Monday on the 9th December. As you can see, that's 9th 12 2019. So it has reflected in my earnings. As you can see before, now my earnings is $10.25, as you can see, and the day I'm gonna withdraw this morning is on the 6th of January 2020. As you can see here, I started this yesterday, and as you can see, today's 9, yeah, and yesterday is 8/12 2019. So that's how it works. And when is this so I can request for my withdrawal? So it's as simple as that. If you want to join, I'll be putting this my referral link below, so you click on it, then you register. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so as to support this channel. Thank you, have a nice day, and peace out.